My name is Sarah Montpleasure, and I'm a new product development engineer for DEWALT. Today we'd like to talk to you about the new 2X metal cutting Recip blade. We've done our homework, and after talking with many contractors on job sites, we found out that the two biggest frustrations with metal cutting Recip blades are lack of durability and poor blade life. With that in mind, we've engineered the new 2X metal cutting Recip blade. Some of the features of this blade include increased height and thickness versus a standard DEWALT metal cutting blade. Now I know that's tough to see, but this helps prevent bending and adds extra rigidity. The next item we've done is we've engineered a specific tooth geometry for cutting in harder materials such as steel. And lastly, we've also added a proprietary coating to the teeth to help enhance the life of the blade so that you get 2 times the life versus the 18 TPI Lennox 118R laser series in 1018 steel. Thank you for your time. We're looking forward to hearing about your experiences with the new 2X Recip blade.